Hello everyone. So I'm here in Jaipur in the Pink City and I've listened that कि यहाँ का जो सिल्वर ज्वेलरीज होते हैं वो बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. So I went to हवा महल for just roaming around and वहीं पे आसपास बापू बाजार है and I got a good silver jewelries from that Bapu Bazaar from Radhika Jewelers. This is from Radhika Jewelers. I'm taking a good stuff from the Radhika Jewelers and I love that shop. I love the customer service, like their nature, their way of talking, their respect to the guest, all over. Nice. So यही पहन के गया हुआ था. अब भी लौटा हूँ और अब भी वीडियो बना रहा हूँ, लाइक बना के, ठीक है. सो सबसे जो पहली मेरी परचेज थी, सबसे पहले मैंने ये रिंग ली. दिस रिंग फ्रॉम ऑफ सिल्वर. इसे आप देख लो, लाइक दिस इज द सिल्वर रिंग, लाइक इट इज फोकस्ड. This is the silver ring. Okay, and I've taken this is so good and I love the designs, I love the things and it's affordable too, it's good. So मैंने ये तीन चीज़ें ली हैं. This three things from that Radhika Jewelers. This is the Radhika, if you want to go there, so this is the Radhika Jewelers. My friends are sneezing around, so ignore it. Okay, so the first one, I've taken two bracelets and two earrings for my ears. I have two piercings in my both the cans ears. Okay, so the first bracelet is this. This is a very cute bracelet. I taken one for my friend and one for me. This is the bracelet, this is the design. This is beautiful bracelet from Radhika Jewelers. This is so good. Sorry, the phone slapped out. Okay, so this is the first bracelet. You can see like this. See, this is so good. I'll just जैसे इन्होंने रखा ट्रे पे and I just love that. So this is the first purchase from the Radhika Jewelers, silver jewelries. उनके पास सिर्फ silver jewelries थी अधिकतर. And this will be the second bracelet. This is for my friend. That's for me and this is for my best friend. There's one friend. So this is the bracelet. This is the bracelet. Are you liking it? Not liking it? I love it. So this is the bracelet and this is the bracelet. These are the two bracelets I've taken from the Radhika Jewelers. You can see like this. If you are coming to the Jaipur, so you should go and explore the Bapu Bazaar. Maybe there are some good other jewelry shops too, but I didn't explore much. थक गया था, so मैंने लगा chill pill and वहाँ बहुत अच्छा collection मिल गया था. Now the earrings are so cute, so awesome. Like they have good collection of earrings too, silver earrings, and I love the collection of them. और actually उस दुकान के अंदर मैं इसलिए घुसा था because बाहर मुझे वो कांच के अंदर वो earrings के templates दिख गए थे. So earrings के templates दिखे and I was just so excited to enter that jewelry shop. And और मैं सिर्फ earrings के लिए घुसा था and I've taken these things, these ring, these bracelets, loved it. So this is the first pair of earrings. They are so affordable. This is the first pair of earrings. I'm just seeing around. These are the first set of earrings. You can see the rupees one. मैं आपको अच्छे से दिखाता हूँ. Like this. This is the first set of earring. Pose. Yeah, this is the first set of earring. This is rupees one. And the second one is this Hathi. So cute, so different. Like literally, it was so cute. I just loved it. Hona bhai. See that Hathi, like so good. It's not like posing, but not focusing on this Hathi. Focus करो यार. See, so this is मैं फोटो लगा दूंगा. So these are the elephants. These are so good. Like I loved it. They just stole my heart. See. Like for decoration purposes we use Hathi in our home and I will just wear them tomorrow. Top class earrings. So these are all my silver jewelries which are taken from the Pink City, that is Jaipur. So these are the rings, bracelets and these are the earrings. So these earrings are cost me around 900 for both. Like earrings वो per piece देते हैं, like for pair So these rupees one are 450 and one is of 550. ऐसा कुछ था समथिंग रेट्स थे, मतलब वो 400 to 500 समथिंग इसके रेट्स थे. एंड दिस ब्रेसलेट, दिस वन इज अराउंड 1800. दिस ब्रेसलेट इज अराउंड 1800. ये आपको ग्राम के हिसाब से रेट्स मिलते हैं वहाँ पे. दिस ब्रेसलेट फ्रॉम 1800 एंड दिस इज अबाउट 2200 रुपीज़. सो दिस इज ऑल. दिस इज फ्रॉम जयपुर पिंक सिटी. सो आप लोग आए, सोच रहे हैं कुछ लेने की, तो आप बिल्कुल ले सकते हैं फ्रॉम राधिका ज्वेलर्स. और आप और एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं. लाइक वो मार्केट बहुत बड़ा है और इट्स सो गुड. लाइक it's affordable, it's good, and it's nice. Like they have variety range of like earrings, bracelets for girls too, for boys too. So that's it. And if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. And चलता हूँ मैं. Okay, bye bye, take care, lots of love.